Hey, Javerp here, Average Keyboard Dad. I just want to talk about the switch I just got in, the Kailh Purple Potato switch. I'm not really a team tactile anymore, but I still enjoy a good tactile. Here you can hear palm on palm on palm, full length, lubed with Tribosys 3203. Sounds fairly deep, feels fairly smooth. A little bit of pre-travel and then a pretty severe bump compared to Holy Pandas. You can definitely hear the long pull, a little bit more mid-range pop, I think. The bump is notably smoother than this, so if you want something a little bit more severe and deeper, Kailh Purple Potato, not a bad choice over the Holy Panda.